So this is why sometimes the mixer fails. Say accumulation of dust. Accumulation of dust. See. So I'm going to open it and do a thorough cleaning and then check for continuity, and whichever terminal that has problem I will rejoin it. Hopefully no component is corroded yet, so that we won't have to do a lot of replacement. Alright, yeah, so the name of the mixer is Mackie CFX16 MK2 16 channel. Yeah, and it's a very rugged machine. It has been through a lot, but it's still standing. Yeah. Alright, so the board has been opened, and right off the bat I'm already seeing a lot of dusty connections. That's the power. Okay, see the heart, and the heart is not connected, which is why we usually have problem with the heart. I'm kind of suspecting that this board was opened at one point in time after I worked on it. But let me just keep my fingers crossed, because I've seen a lot of connection that I wouldn't have made. Yeah, so I wouldn't have left this like this. Yeah, okay, apparently the power was changed at some point. Okay, alright, so apparently the power was changed. Something must have happened to the power. It was changed at some point. Power was changed, and the step down transformer, I will not want to remove it because I want to check the ratings and the specification of this transformer, but apparently I think it's on the other side, and that's the side that has been glued to the board. So I'll just leave it as it is. I might do the testing later, but not now. Yeah, like I said, this connection is not safe, not professional. Alright, so this is the power supply to the board itself. Power supply to the board. I'm suspecting this is the power supply to the lamp. Power supply to the lamp. And there's the heart of the board. The whole heart of the board is disconnected. No wonder we were having problems with the hearting of the house. Yeah, so I'm still discovering. Let me expose the board and see what really may be the problem. Alright, I've loosened all the screws. 1,000,001 screws. So I've loosened all the screws. Moment of truth. Well, because I'm the only one and I'm not using a camera stand, so I have to turn off the camera to bring up the boards, and then meanwhile see the screws here. Look at it. Alright, so alright, thank you. Okay, so this is a maintenance technician nightmare. So when I always talk about electronics and dusts, take a look at this. See how dusty this has become. There is no way we will not have partial contacts here. There is no way there won't be noise, ground noise, static noise. There is no way, especially all the moving parts. Look at the rust. So this is what we usually talk about when we talk about dust and electronics. As much as possible, keep your electronics away from dust as much as you can help it. Keep your electronics away from dust as much as you can help it. Look at this. Look at this. So hopefully, and I have to test all of them one by one. I'll carry out continuity tests on all of them. See the graphics EQ. Yeah. So this is the board. This is what is mixing the mixing. This is the mixer. Alright. So there we go. The board is in modules of 4. So this is the inputs. This is the input section, and this is the control section where all the mixing takes place. This is the main mix. This is the matrix select buttons. There's a mute. I believe this is solo mix. This is solo button rather. Alright. So once again, keep your electronics away from dust as much as possible. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. So I'm going to do it before and after, and then we are going to test each and every knob one by one to identify the ones that are having issues. Where I have most concern is the input gain and the faders, the sliding faders. These are potentiometers. They are called technically potentiometers, or I say variable resistors. It reminds me of school. Alright, sir, I hope you are seeing this. It's not a work that you can quickly say you want to rush and do. You may have issues at the end of the day. Any mistake can cause even multiple problems, both in the signal chain and the power chain. Alright. Yeah, just as I feared. Lots and lots and lots of rusts and dusts. God will help me. Okay, so this is the after. I said I was going to do it before and after. This is the after.